dear student. Today the topic of my lecture is Newton's third law of motion. As you see on the board, statement say when one object exert a force on a second object, the second object exert a force of same magnitude but opposite in direction of the first object. Or I can say in a simple words, for every action there is equal and opposite reaction. This is the Newton's third law statement. For justify this statement, I can take an example of a football. A footballer is kicking a ball here. A football, as I will take it as an A, body object A, and ball here we are taking as an object B. Now the foot is applying force on the ball. The ball at the same time applying the same magnitude force on foot. Here you see I wrote FAB. That's showing that this foot is applying force on the object B. So A is for the body A and B is for the body B. This FAB is showing that this body is applying force on this object. Now here I have wrote FBA here, which shows that this object B, that is a ball which is applying with the same equal magnitude on body A, which I have written as FBA, which shows that here the force is coming from object B on object A. For this example, I have taken mathematical term FAB, which is equal to FBA, but why I wrote minus sign here? This is for the negative sign for opposite direction, to show the opposite direction of an object. Here you see this is coming in this direction, the force of this ball is coming in this direction and the force of the ball is going in this direction. And in this example, you definitely thinking of that, if both the forces are equal and same in magnitude, why they are not cancelling each other? Why? Because the action is always on one object and reaction is always on the other object or other body. For this, I can say that I am taking a ball which I am throwing here, or this is wall, and I am throwing ball on the wall. With the same force, the ball will come back to me. I am throwing the ball in this direction and the ball will exert the same force on the ball and it is coming back to me with the same magnitude. But the direction, if you see, the direction of the reaction is opposite. Here the direction is in this way and the reaction is in the other way. So for the direction I kept minus sign. Minus sign is supposed to be for the opposite direction. For daily routine example, I can say jet plane ejecting gases example, balloon forcing air out. If we fill the balloon with the air and if we left that balloon untie, so you will see that the balloon will go in the forward direction. Why? Because the air rushing out from the back of the balloon, it is as a reaction and it is action, and as a reaction the balloon will go forward in the direction. Thank you very much.